Welcome. In this tutorial, we will go over how to fix the problem if the Facebook Music Story option is not showing. Let's get started. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and check if there is an update available. If there is, tap Update. Using the latest version often solves issues with missing features. If updating didn't help, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick restart refreshes the app and resolves minor bugs. Next, open the Facebook app and go to the Story section. To add music, tap Create a Story. If you still don't see the music option, check if it's available in your region. If you still don't see the music option, check if it's available in your region. Facebook rolls out features gradually, so it may not be available to everyone just yet. Another solution is to clear the Facebook apps cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, find Facebook, and select Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then reopen the app. iPhone users can try reinstalling the app, which will clear cache automatically. If you are using an older device, the Music Story feature may not be compatible. Try using another device to see if the feature is available there. Finally, if nothing works, reach out to Facebook support, go to Settings, then Help and Support, and select Report a Problem. Describe the issue and let Facebook know that the Music Story feature is missing from your app. And that's it. Now you know a few ways to troubleshoot if the Facebook Music Story option is not showing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fixes. Thank you so much.